This is Becky Wheeler with Remax Big Bear giving you the video walkthrough of 1037 West Mountain View in Big Bear City. This is the exterior front, and I'm going to give you a 360 view. This is not a commercial airport. This is only for small private planes, and we do have two locals that have a jet. So it's not very noisy. It does have ski slope views. And just so you know, there's the lake that way, and you can see the fireworks from there. There's the ski slope views. Okay, let's go inside. There's two driveways, one right there and one right here. And people do park along the fence right here too, as you can see. Behind this gate is the jacuzzi. We'll get to there in a minute. This home is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath with several sheds. However, it has this front entryway that has a futon, and you could sleep somebody in here also if you wanted to. Has curtains that you could close it off to keep it separate from everything else. Then you enter into the great room. Has a wood burning stove, flat screen TV, stainless steel appliances, can lighting, vaulted ceilings, off the kitchen is the laundry room. Has a little doggy door, stackable washer dryer, and some storage. And that's also how you access the backyard. Here is the bathroom. It is handicap accessible. This whole house is handicap accessible. Lots of storage in the bathroom. Go this way, we have a large bedroom. This home is coming furnished. That's the owner's closet in case you rent it out. It does lock. And then there's a regular closet also. Has air conditioning. And then this is the second bedroom. This one does not have a closet. It does have a swamp cooler right behind that curtain. And they're using the dresser and cabinets for a closet. Let's take it outside. Out the back door here. Here is the jacuzzi, and it works nice and hot. There is a photo in the MLS and on Zillow. Lots of gardening beds that aren't currently being used. Gazebo with trex deck and a little fire pit. All of this does stay. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheds. This one is being used for spa equipment. That one they put outdoor pantry stuff like sodas and waters. That's the swamp cooler. Another garden bed. You can enter from the back. You could bring in your RV or boat. This is the workshop shed. A few spare materials for the house in here also. This shed right here has an extra room and it has a brand new roof on it. And there's the barbecue. This property does have a gas line for a barbecue right there. And he didn't realize that when he bought the barbecue, so it's not set up for gas line, it's propane. But the barbecue will stay. Here's the shed with the new roof. Has this extra little room inside also. Make it an office or a he shed, she shed. And this is the firewood shed. Still have all this room back here, very large yard.